Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Kindly introduce yourself.
I'm Joselita Sakdalan, 45 years old, married. I live in 384 Daungan Street, Taplaw, Orani, Bataan. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the second child in the family. I have 5 children.
Do you have any experiences working abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work far away from your family?
To support of them.
How about cooking? Can you cook variety of dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
How about children ages 6 to 10? Can you take care of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to operate microwave oven?
Yes, ma'am.
How about vacuum cleaner?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to clean cars?
Yes, ma'am.
How about comfort room?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to clean that?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you maintain cleanliness in your surroundings?
To clean every day.
Just in case that your employer's kitchen is burning, what will you do?
To get the fire extinguisher.
What time you normally sleep at night?
9 o'clock in the night time.
Kindly give message to your future employer.
Sir, ma'am, I'll promise I'll do my best and I'm very hardworking. And I'll be honest and be patient.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.